Give him a 360 of the denim. With the cowboy boots. Nah. Yeah, so Webster Papa, we're setting up tomorrow night. Weaver's about to help us out. Put it together. But yeah, so we're building a bunch of cinder blocks and we're gonna mix in these plants like we did in Houston. But yeah, Soho location is really big, so this is what happens.
Come on, time. Where's Mike at?
Thursday family reunion. Yeah. Greetings, sir. How are you?
Flex. You got it.
Need cold brew and a hug from my mother.
Any coffee?
Yes, sir.
The finish line is near. 10 hours later. We're done. Thank you. You guys ready?
I'll try to get back.
Bye. Let's go. Alright, now we need an Uber and coffee. What a mission.
Yeah, we did that.
It's not gonna fit. We got the beer for free. Let's go. We just came up at Salvation Army. It's basically like we stole it. So we got our 2 chairs. We got the matching mirror for free. We're headed back to the crib. We're gonna deck it out with floral tonight. Yeah, it's going up. Webster, 2 days countdown. It's a new vibe. Give it the program or get lost.
Yeah, we're, you know.
Whoa!
Got scared, huh? God.
Oh my god.
It's like a little loop.
No, I'm just kidding. Just ran a marathon.
It was some work, guys.
Said it smells disgusting.
It smells like Tommy.
Look at this. Look at this. This is what the
Congrats.
fuck I was waiting to see. I was like, I wonder what the...
I need one of those. And they're like look raw too. Damn.
This is crazy. No fairy tale.
No question. You recognize the pants I'm wearing?
Of course I do.
They're not the ones you put on. These are urgent.
What?
Right?
They look the same.
What's the flare? Oh, you remember this?
He wore them. Yeah, 1980s pair of Levi's. Somebody did this on.
Like this, we found a wash house that could replicate like the page. So the original is like a super
Slim.
Yeah.
It's more like a 501.
These might make a little bit slimmer just on some punk rock, but basically the same shit.
I feel a part of that pen. I feel like I'm a part of that. Just for wearing them. Just for wearing them.
When you compare them side by side, it's scary.
Dude came back to show us, like he was like, yo, I finished them, and he pulled them out. Until I looked at like the bottom of the shoe we added, I thought it was the original. I was like, okay, so where's the one you did? And he's like, these are them. I was like, oh shit. Bro, to a T, he went crazy.